Here's how to change the cabin air filter on 2002 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 truck. So we're on the passenger side beneath the glove box, and there's a cover that covers over the bottom of it, which is missing on this truck, but it's held on by 3 bolts. So you take the cover off. So your air filters are right in here. There's 2 of them close together, and there's a bolt back here that you undo. Then you kind of swing that open. I've got cardboard here to catch all the crud. There will be crud. And then you just, oh, damn. Pull one of them out. And there's a second one jammed in the back here. You kind of get a finger on it. There we go. Pull it towards you. And down. Dirty. So I recommend catching the dirt with the cardboard. We're going to be breathing a lot cleaner after this. And we're going to blow it out a little bit just to get any chunks that didn't fall out. There's your model number, Champion CCF 7707. There is an airflow arrow on them saying airflow this way. So you want to have that arrow pointing towards the driver's side of the vehicle. So you line it up. Make sure your arrows are correct, shove it in the hole, and then push it back. Then your second one, get your arrows pointed towards the driver, shove it in the hole, and up. Put the strap back. It hooks up into a little clip on the top, and back like that. Take your bolt, put it in there, and then you're done.